Hello everyone, how are you? It's nice to meet you. Let me introduce first. My name is Muhammad Rizal Fadila. You can call me Mr. Rizal. I am as an English teacher. There are my personal profiles which you can learn. I am very disciplined person and capable of dividing of time. I always spend my time to sharing with other people. I like playing football. I also like eating popcorn. That's all for me. See you in my class.